The course content was given to us not only in black and white in print form, there were CDs given to us. So we could carry these CDs even when we were traveling, and I could read any subject anytime whenever I found the time. In addition to that, the online course content that was made available with student login given to us was very convenient. So overall the program made it very comfortable and convenient for me to do a management program.
If you are a different kind of a learner, they have taken care about all that aspects. As in, there are CDs, there are books. If you get bored with one type of learning, you can always switch on to a different type of learning. You can visual and reading material.
I do not think anybody else is doing in a distance learning program these kind of thing, and I would like to call it not a distance learning program but a hybrid program which combines distance learning with personal contact, with virtual classrooms and with experiential learning.
Before joining to Wellinger, I had gone through n number of sites. I have personally visited to many of the very reputed college in Mumbai, and I have seen the other colleges as well. This is the only college I know so far which introduced so many different variety to the PGDBA course. Thus you will never, I don't know, to my knowledge, you will not find anywhere in India.
When I actually joined it, it was only an intention to seek another degree because I was just not doing anything else. So I thought might as well just do some online course and at least attain some sort of degree. But now it's really taking a different angle altogether and really value adding onto my career and everything, and the aspect of the life that I really look at today. So it's really good.
Well, I've actually heard of many management institutes, but I have never heard of the workshops, of the industrial visits which the Wellinger Institute is providing us, which is the best part actually. It is an interactive session which every institute I would suggest to give to the students. Not only it is related to the management studies, that is not only a part of our life. We should also know how to interact with the people, how like this such sessions works out. That is the best part which Wellinger is actually offering.
I think I have joined the best institute and I'm very happy and really want to recognize this as a best institute in a B school.
I'm very thankful to the V schools that they have organized, they have come up with the idea with ELP program where we need to go out and we need to learn a lot of things. So in that way, yes, I can say that it's great to be the part of this program.
Wellinger being completely different from what like other colleges are, because here the kind of activities, the events that are being organized, it is really helping us, a personality development course-wise. Team handling, a lot of like activities are done looking on these particular aspects, like industrial visits are there, moving-based learning sessions are there, debriefing sessions are done after every visits. So it is like, you can say, overall holistic development of a personal or from the prospect point of view, this actually helps a lot.